Hi lovely people, have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Twin Pagoda, a Chinese garden, a Chinese inspired towers with lake views and spiral staircases. So here we go guys, stay with me, enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, Twin Pagoda. Yeah, look at this beautiful and amazing three-story twin pagoda guys, with a spiral staircase facing across the lake. Yeah, look at this guys. The Twin Pagoda is the replica of China's spring-autumn towers, and also the Chinese inspired towers with lake views and spiral staircase. So I'm just going up into the staircase now guys. So I'm still going up guys into the top of Twin Pagoda. So now I'm here in the third story. Yeah, look at this view guys. It's really beautiful and amazing. And this is the lake, and that another pagoda. Yeah, this is the view from the top view to the bottom guys. That's the, so I'm taking this video, I mean, from the top view. Yeah, look at this beautiful and amazing view guys. It's like a panoramic view. This actually, the whole garden is Juronglakegardens, including Chinese garden, Japanese garden, and lakeside garden. With a beautiful and stunning views. So I'm just going down into the staircase now guys. And I'm going to another pagoda, as this is Twin Pagoda. So I'm just going up in another one, guys. Yeah, this is the view of the second story. Yeah, look at this beautiful and stunning views, guys. So I'm just going up into the third story now. That's the another Twin Pagoda, guys. Yeah, it's beautiful and amazing. So I'm here at the lookout balcony taking this video. Yeah, it's beautiful, guys. So I'm just going down now, guys, from the 3-story. Yeah, so this is the Twin Pagoda, guys. It's beautiful and amazing. And guys, this is the water wall court. So I'm just going inside now, guys. It looks beautiful and amazing, guys. This is facing to the lake and also beside Twin Pagoda. Yeah, look at the view, guys. It's beautiful and amazing. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that it will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Bye guys. Take care. I love you.